The Anatomy of a New Roof, a comprehensive breakdown series. A balanced attic ventilation system is important to help prevent roofing system issues. This ventilation system consists of both ridge vents installed at the peak of the roof and intake ventilation such as ventilated soffit. Properly ventilating your attic helps reduce excess heat and moisture in the summer, and also helps keep your roof system cold during the winter to reduce the freeze-thaw cycle that creates ice dams. A ridge vent is an air exhaust vent installed on the peak of a roof. When installing this vent, an air slot is first cut in the roof deck at the roof's peak. This air slot is then covered by the ridge vent itself. They help to provide continuous, uniform exhaust ventilation at the highest portion of the attic and are designed to help resist wind-driven rain and snow, as well as insect and debris infiltration. Ridge cap shingles are then typically installed over the ridge vent to protect it and provide a clean, finished look on the roof. For the attic ventilation system to work properly, air needs to be able to enter the attic as well as exit it to provide a continuous flow of outside air through the attic space. Soffit and eave ventilation placed where a roof or overhang juts out over the home's exterior wall will allow cooler, dry air to enter the lower attic space. As the air in the attic heats up, convection helps push the air to the peak of the roof, where it escapes through the ridge vent. This type of passive system is an efficient way to ventilate an attic, as it doesn't require any energy to properly function. Ready to upgrade your roof or have questions about roofing components? Reach out to TC Backer Construction today. Our team of experts is here to assist you with all your home's exterior needs.
TC Backer, TC Backer.